This is my presentation, Mission to Mars, by me, Connor McMullen. Where is Mars in relation to Earth? Mars is the closest planet to Earth and the fourth planet from the Sun. At its closest point in orbit, the distance between Mars and Earth is about 62.7 million kilometers. Here is a photo of Earth compared to Mars. And here is a photo of the whole solar system. How do the conditions on Mars differ to those on Earth? Compared to Earth, Mars is a lot smaller and drier. It is also quite dusty, and because it is further from the Sun than Earth, it is also colder. The average temperature on Mars is minus 62 degrees Celsius, which is very cold. Its surface is very rocky, with lots of canyons, dry lake beds, and volcanoes, and craters all over the planet. Red dust covers most of Mars' surface. Here are some photos of Mars and its surface. Why is the discovery of water on Mars so important to us? The discovery of water on Mars is amazing for us because us humans need water to survive and live. Water is very important for resources. On Earth, almost everywhere there is water, there is life. Whether the water is boiling hot or frozen, some sort of creature seems to thrive in it. Perseverance rover. The goal of a Perseverance rover is to discover whether there is life on Mars. The rover collects rock and soil samples, which will provide evidence of organics, the chemical building blocks of our life. The rover has several cameras that are used to take photographs on Mars. Other hardware includes a spectrometer that will provide fine-scale imaging, a set of sensors that will provide measurements of temperature, wind, speed and direction, pressure, relative humidity, and dust size and shape, and a radar that will provide centimeter-scale resolution of the geologic structure of the subsurface. The rover spends at least one Mars year, which equals 2 Earth years, exploring the landing site region. It was expected to launch in July-August 2020 from Florida, USA, and land on Mars in February 2021. What sort of activities or missions has the device conducted on Mars? The key activities of a mission is to explore the landing site and access ancient habitability by seeking signs of ancient life, particularly in special rocks known to preserve signs of life over time. During the mission, the rover will gather rock and soil samples that will be returned to Earth by a future NASA missions. The rover will also demonstrate technology for future robotic and human exploration. How does a mission you had selected advance the goal of having people living on Mars? The purpose of a rover is to see whether there are signs of water which indicate there may also be signs of living organisms. How can humans set up a sustainable settlement on Mars? Due to the harsh weather conditions, it seems that it would be quite difficult for humans to live on Mars. The extremely cold weather would mean humans would likely have to remain indoors with a lot of heating because the amount of heat required. It would seem that it would be difficult to have sustainable settlement on Mars. The lack of water would also make it difficult to settle on Mars, as humans require water for both drinking and producing food. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.